All right, boys, what's up? I want to make a video covering how to actually manage and take losses as a trader, because so many of you guys don't even understand this small little concept. So many of you guys just think that you're supposed to win every trade, that you're not supposed to lose because you're unprofitable if you lose a trade, you're unprofitable if you have a losing week, a losing month. I'm going to tell you how trading actually works from the standpoint of a profitable trader. I've been consistently making money in the markets for a little bit over a year now, and that might not be the craziest span of experience, but I guarantee you I have more experience in these markets than the person watching this video. So from my standpoint, I'm going to teach you what I have been taught from my mentors before me that have been trading for decades, right? So I want you to understand this one thing. I want you to understand that losses are part of the game. And social media is lying to you. Social media is telling you that you're not supposed to lose a trade. Social media, when you lose a trade, you get judged. And most of you guys are chronically online. And if you are, I highly recommend to get off trading TikTok, to get off trading Instagram, get out of the trading niche, right? Enjoy your life outside of trading, build your life outside of the markets, right? You in the markets should only be from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m., right? That's the period I trade, that's the period I teach my students to trade. If you are trading outside of that period and your system works for you, by all means, do it. By all means, do it. If you trade Asia and it works for you, do it. If you trade London and it works for you, do it. Whatever you trade and whatever works for you, do it. And that's why I'm telling you to get off social media as a trader, because you are chronically fed this misinformation that everyone's strategy is the best strategy. Everyone's model, everyone's concepts are undefeated and it's the only way to trade. No, I'm telling you as a trader, I teach my students, I teach people how I trade. Do I tell them it's the best strategy in the world? It's the only way to be profitable? No, I have friends who make just as much, if not more money than me, trading order flow, trading supply and demand, trading support and resistance, because they understand it. They don't understand ICT. I understand ICT and I added a little bit of my own twist to it, right? So other people may not understand the way I trade. I don't understand the way other people trade, and that's the beauty of it. Find a system that works for you. Find a system that you can trade and just clicks. If it makes sense for you, do it. If you're good at it and it makes sense, do it. Follow a system that you could visually see on the charts and clicks for you, right? That is what I preach. That is what I tell you guys. You don't have to trade ICT. You don't have to trade supply and demand. You can trade order flow. You can trade support and resistance, Bollinger Bands, whatever you want to trade. If it makes sense and you can make it work, by all means, fucking do it, bro. Don't listen to these people online trying to sell you the next best thing, trying to sell you their model, their system, because you can make anything work if it makes sense for you, right? Now back to my point. Most of you guys are chronically online. You're taught that a losing trade or a losing week is unprofitable, and it makes you crash out, it makes you question and doubt your system. That could not be further from the truth. I guarantee you, if you went to a banker on Wall Street right now, or a banker at JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Chase, any big bank, you go to them and you tell them, have you ever had a red month? They're going to laugh in your fucking face. They've had countless of red months. Banks have probably had red years. They've definitely had red years. They've definitely had red days, red weeks, red months. So as a individual, as a singular trader, why shouldn't you? What makes you different? Nothing. As a trader, your job is to follow your system and follow your rules to your best ability. That's it. And if that means taking losing trades, and if that means taking losing weeks and taking losing months because your system is proven to make you money at the end of the year, then so be it, right? If you lose 6 months of the year and you make money 6 months of the year and your risk to reward is like a 1 to 10, you are going to come out a lot of green. You are going to come out of the markets with a lot of profits, right? God forbid you have 6 losing months. I hope you don't. But hypothetically, if you trade a 1 to 10 risk reward system and you have a 50% win rate, right? 6 losing months and 6 winning months would even out to a pretty profitable year. You'd make a very good amount of money, right? Because you have a you'd go with a lot of money. You would come out with a lot of money, around $8 per month, which is ridiculous, or something like that. I'm not good at math, right? But, or $4 per month, I believe. Something amongst those lines, right? But the reality is you shouldn't focus too much on the pressure that social media is putting on you. You shouldn't focus too much on any external pressure on you as a trader, because your job is to follow your system. Losing trades are part of a winning system. Now, you can choose to do one of two things. When you lose a trade, you can A, crash out and lose more money, which is not following your system. If your system tells you, hey, if A, B, and C happen, you have to learn to set conditions, right? If you're bullish on the day, right, you're gonna see, okay, if this gets respected and this happens, then I'll go long. Or if this gets respected and this happens, then I'll go short, right? Don't just gamble trades because you think it's gonna happen, right? Because I might think one day, okay, we definitely wanna push up, but if A, B, and C don't happen, I won't get an entry to that high. And I'm okay with that because I know that I followed my systems, right? So for you as a trader, I want you to set conditions. If A, B, and C happen, then I will enter my trade. Does it have to be 3 points? No, it could be 20, it could be 2, it could be 1, right? I like to keep my trading simple. Realistically, I'll look for 1 to 2 confluences, right? 1 or 2 on the higher time frame, 1 or 2 on the lower time frame to confirm my bias and confirm my entry. But enough of that, right? If you guys want to learn about my systems, my model, you can join my Discord in the bio. I don't want to yab about this on YouTube, but you have to learn to follow and trust your system. And if your system tells you, if I do A, B, and C, I will enter in long, and you do that and you lose, then so be it. That is part of your system. Why does it matter? The outcome of a trade should not matter to you because you know that your system works, right? If you shot 10 baskets, right? You're playing basketball, you shoot 10 and you make 8, you're gonna consider yourself nasty. When you miss a shot, what do? You went back to the free throw line and you shot with the same form you shot in the previous shot. Did you make it? Yeah, you made it this time. What changed? Nothing. Nothing. You make some, you lose some. But as long as you make more than you lose, you are going to come out profitable, right? You could have crashed out when you lost and started just like throwing the ball with terrible form from a different standpoint, and you could have ruined everything. You could have made zero baskets that way. But no, what do? You went back with the same form, from the same distance, and shot the same basket, except this time you made it. Same thing with the markets, right? The conditions are not going to be favorable every day. Some days you are going to lose. Some days your system is bound to lose, right? Most days your system should be bound to win. And that is what makes you a profitable trader, right? If you win 2 out of every 3 trades and you have a 1-to-1 risk reward, right? Are you making money? Yes, you're making a lot of money. So why are you upset when you lose that one trade, right? When you lost that one trade, you could have done one of 2 things. You take the loss because you're a profitable trader and you're detached from the money. You're detached from the money and you understand that it is part of your system, so you don't care. Or B, you crash out. You're like, oh my God, there's no way I took that loss. I'm unprofitable because everyone on TikTok says that if I take a loss and I'm not a profitable trader. Stop being a moron. Stop being an idiot. Everyone is trying to feed you their course. Everyone's trying to feed you their systems, their best strategy that makes them $1 million a month trading. No. Dude, ground yourself to reality. Everything on social media is a lie, right? Ground yourself to reality. Understand that losses are part of the game. You are going to take countless of losses, especially if you're unprofitable. You're probably going to take more losses than wins. And that is part of the journey. I want you to journal every loss you take. Every loss you take, journal it down. See what went wrong in those losses. And sometimes nothing went wrong. Sometimes you were 100% right to take that loss because any other day it would have been a win. Do you know how many losses I have taken? And people on social media have told me countless of times, oh my God, stop trading that. Like, you're such a gambler. You're trading at this time. I have made $300,000 in the last few months trading the way I trade. Do you think I care about some guy with a no profile picture and 0 followers in my comment section calling me a gambler? No, because if you are commenting on someone else's, anyone else's social media, hating on them, the odds are hate stems from insecurity. I'm big on that. You will never see me hating on another trader because I'm very big on the concept that all hate stems from insecurity, right? Hate will never come from below. And if someone is hating on you or pushing or pulling you down, whatever it is, right? They're trying to put you down as a human, as a trader. Know that they envy something you have. They are envious and they are jealous of something that you currently have in your life that is clearly going right for you that they do not have, right? So whenever I see someone hate on me or whenever I take a loss and someone comments their bottom tick or top tick, I know that they're unprofitable and they just took their first win in 2 months and they're trying to flex it on me, right? So should you. Whenever you take a loss and all your friends or everyone on social media is like, no way you took a loss today, know that they are unprofitable as well, because from a profitable standpoint, right? From my point of view, I would never, ever comment on anyone else's post if they lost or if they won. Matter of fact, I don't care if they won or lost, because I know that they're probably profitable and their system works for them. So who am I to judge? Like I told you before, I have friends making more money than I make trading different systems, right? So why should I care if they take a loss and I win one day, if I know that their system is also proven to make just as much money as mine, right? So everything's about perspective in trading. If you have a system that works for you and it works in your eyes, if you could just log onto the charts and you see it, trade that system. Don't listen to someone online telling you, oh my God, like that sucks. You trade supply and demand, you trade support and resistance, you trade IFVGs. Yes, bro, there's people making millions of dollars a year trading supply and demand, support and resistance, IFVGs, right? Every model works if you know how to use it, right? A trader is no better, or a system is no better than the trader behind it, right? So understand that you as a trader, your only job for the next few months, for the next decades, for the rest of your life, follow your system, follow your rules, and have faith in what you trade. Because if you don't even believe that your system is profitable, you should do some backtesting. Find a system that makes sense for you, right? And I hope you guys took something out of this video and actually understand that losses are part of the game. Social media is lying to you. Don't let anyone get into your head, all right? Have a great fucking day. I will see you boys tomorrow.